It is a goal for your child to develop decoding skills. In order to build this ability, they need to understand the relationship between sounds and letters to form words. In this activity, children will learn that the substitution, deletion, and addition of sounds will change the word.
We're going to change beginning sounds to make new words. So let's get started by naming each picture. Go.
Bug, mug, rug, hug.
Great. All right. So, what's the first sound in the word bug?
B.
Beautiful. So I'm going to take that B sound and I'm going to replace it with What word did I make?
Rug.
Point to the picture. And what is that?
A picture of a rug.
Great. I'm going to take away the sound and replace it with What word did I make?
Mug.
Point to the picture. Say it.
Mug.
Great. I'm going to take away the sound and replace it with What word did I make?
Hug.
Great, and you pointed to the picture. Good job changing that first sound and making new words. So now we're going to add beginning sounds to make new words. So let's first start off with these two pictures here. So let's just practice it. So say the word wing.
Wing.
All right. We're going to add the sound S to the beginning of the word wing. What's the new word?
Swing.
So then this would be the right one, swing, because this is a picture of swim. So you picked the correct picture. Let's name the other pictures.
Sand. Clap. Rice. Heat.
Excellent. All right. Say the word eat.
Eat.
Add to the beginning of eat. What is the new word?
Heat.
Great. Say the word lap.
Lap.
Add k to the beginning of lap. What is the new word?
Clap.
And you pointed to clap. Great. Say the word and.
And.
Add s to the beginning of and. What is the new word?
Sand.
Point. Say.
Sand.
Say the word ice.
Ice.
Add to the beginning of ice. What word did I make?
Rice.
Great. You pointed and said the right new word. Good job adding beginning sounds to make new words. This time we're going to take away the beginning sound to make new words. Before we get started, point to each picture and name them.
Wing, swing, lit, ice, ring, light.
Great. Okay. So, say the word swing.
Swing.
All right, we're going to take away the beginning sound. S. What new word did we make?
Wing.
Point to the picture. What is that?
A picture of a wing.
Great. So we took away the s and swing to make the new word wing. Very good. All right, say the word bring.
Bring.
Take b from the beginning of bring. What is the new word?
Ring.
Point to the picture. Great, you took away that b and made ring. Say the word slip.
Slip.
Take s from the beginning of slip. What is the new word?
Lip.
Very good, pointing to the right picture. Okay, say the word dice.
Dice.
Take d from the beginning of dice. What is the new word?
Ice.
Okay. Say the word flight.
Flight.
Take f from the beginning of flight. What's the new word?
light.
Nice job taking away that beginning sound and making new words.